Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can build up business credit without having a personal credit check using Credit Strong. This is a financial trade line that reports to Equifax, Commercial, and PayNet, which is another business credit reporting agency. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. If you need help with building up your business credit and obtaining financing for your business, we can help you do that with our business finance suite. It comes with full training on how to build up your business credit and how to start up your business credibly. If you already have one, we make sure that you have your business set up credibly so that you can get approved, because if you don't, you can get denied for loans very easily. We also have a finance team and a business advisory team that you get access to Monday through Friday. This finance suite helps you build credit, whether you have bad credit, no cash flow, you just started your business, or no collateral. We can help you start building up your business credit profile from scratch. If you already have collateral or cash flow, or you want to leverage your personal credit, if you have good personal credit, we can actually help you get funding as well very quickly. Links are in the description. Okay, so first we're going to talk about pretty much the difference between building up your business credit with financial trade lines versus vendor trade lines, and also the difference between business credit and personal credit for those of you that don't understand how it works. So basically, we all know that we have personal credit, and personal credit scores range from 300 to 850. And the major credit bureaus, of course, are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now, when it comes to business credit, there are also business credit reporting agencies like Equifax Commercial, Experian Commercial, Dun & Bradstreet. Those are the three major ones. There are others like PayNet. PayNet is a Equifax company. Building up your business credit profile. So Credit Strong is considered a financial trade line. So a financial trade line is a financial institution or financial company that gives you a line of credit, such as like a credit card, equipment leasing, and loans. Now, vendor trade lines, or also known as a vendor account, is usually a store or a company that gives you a certain amount of time to pay back an invoice for some items that you purchased for them. So there are net 7, net 15, net 30, net 60 accounts, and the net 30, for example, means that you have 30 days to pay that particular invoice. If it's net 7, you have 7 days, so on and so forth. So some business credit bureaus only collect financial trade lines, and some only collect vendor trade lines, and then some will collect both types of trade lines. So with Credit Strong, you can get a $10,000 installment loan, which is pretty much a financial trade line. So right now, Credit Strong does report to Equifax and to PayNet. So not a lot of people talk about PayNet, but PayNet is one of the leading financial trade line focused credit bureaus. So they focus more on financial trade lines. And some lenders actually check PayNet to decide whether they're going to give you a business loan or a line of credit. And PayNet uses scores similar to personal credit. It ranges from 500 to 800. Now, Equifax and Experian, they use scores from 0 to 100. Okay, really quickly, Equifax has multiple different kinds of credit scores. For business credit, the two primary business credit scores are their Equifax Business Delinquency Score, which provides a score on pretty much how likely a business would have severe delinquency on a vendor account or a supplier account. And then the Equifax Business Delinquency Financial Score determines the likelihood of severe delinquency on a financial account. Okay, so that's just a little bit of information about those two credit bureaus. And then Dun & Bradstreet has the PAYDEX score, which is between 1 and 100. And pretty much the PAYDEX score is used primarily for vendor and supplier accounts to actually see if they want to give you some credit. So they look at that score. So in order to generate a Paydex score, you will need to have at least 3 vendor trade lines reporting to your Dun & Bradstreet. And this is kind of an example of the risk factors on the type of scores that you have. So if you have between 0 and 49, you've made late payments on your vendor accounts more than 30 days late, and then 50 to 79 is 15 to 30 days late, and that's medium risk, and then 80 to 100, which is a good score, is low risk. Okay, so that's pretty much just an overview on those credit bureaus. Experian also has their business side as well, which is called the IntelliScore Plus. They look at payment history, just like your personal credit. That impacts your business credit score. Something that could really hurt your IntelliScore is collections. Just like personal credit, again, scores go up to 100, just like the Dun & Bradstreet. And then there's also the Small Business Financial Exchange. Small Business Financial Exchange is similar to a credit bureau, but it's actually technically a data exchange for small business credit information. So they pretty much collect and distribute data elements for small businesses, including the following: loan payment information. This includes payments your company makes or does not make on time to vendors, lenders, or suppliers, and your credit limits for any business accounts. Business lease payment information and history as well. They also collect information on credit card payment history, as well as your business identification information like your legal business name, EIN, DUNS number, corporate address, and your NAICS code. So another thing to keep in mind is that they do not provide you a credit score, just collect information. So you do have the FICO Small Business Scoring Service score. So just like for your personal credit, they do have FICO scores for your business credit. They started using this back in 2014. It is used by the SBA for all 7A and Community Advantage loan decisions up to $350,000, excluding SBA Express and Export Express. So pretty much I'm just summarizing everything that's on this page so that you guys don't have to read it. You can just watch this video to get your information, and then you can go sign up. Okay, so that's pretty much the overview. So if you want to start building your business credit using Credit Strong, this could be one of the tools that you could use. Again, they only report to Equifax and PayNet. They will start reporting to Experian as well in the future. But a lot of times, in order to get approved for certain accounts, you have to have different kinds of trade lines reporting to all 3 of those major credit bureaus, because different lenders look at different credit bureaus. They don't all look at all 3. Some of them just look at Dun & Bradstreet and Experian. Some of them just look at Dun & Bradstreet, or some of them may just look at Equifax. So you got to have all 3 built up, and you have to have multiple accounts reporting to each of those credit bureaus. So you can choose between 2 plans here. You can cancel this at any time. They have a 10-year plan, which lowers your payment to $115 per month. And then they have the 5-year plan, which makes your monthly payment $199. And you can actually customize your payment terms for each one of these plans. Really quickly, if you want to withdraw money from this account, this is not a loan where you get $10,000. It's pretty much like the same thing as their regular personal credit accounts. You pay the monthly payment, and when you cancel, you get the money back. So it's pretty much a combination of a cash secured commercial installation loan and a commercial savings bank account. So you're saving money at the same time as building credit. It works pretty much the same, again, as the personal side, just like Self. Self has the same business model, except for they don't have accounts for business credit like Credit Strong does. Also, you do not need to have good personal credit or business credit to apply. They do not perform a hard credit check. In order to sign up, you will need to have your business established for at least 3 months. You need to have a LLC, a partnership, or a corporation. It has to be a United States based business with a physical United States address. You need to also have your EIN number, and you need to own at least 25% of the business. You should not have any co-owners that own more than 25% of the business. You need to be at least 18 years old. And you also will need your social security number and your driver's license. So links will be in the description. You're going to come to, when you click on the link in the description, you're actually going to the homepage for Credit Strong. Then you're going to click right here where it says Credit Strong Business. Then you're going to click on Start Building. You are going to sign up using your email and name. Then you're going to select your plan, whether you want the $199 plan or the $115 plan. You can customize that actually in shorter or longer, I believe. And that's pretty much how it works. You learned a little bit about credit scores and the different business credit bureaus. And then you also learned that you can use Credit Strong to build up your Equifax and PayNet business credit scores. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Make sure that you like this video if you found this video valuable, and also comment down below if you have any questions.